Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and if your family does gymnastics or is a homeschool family, you will really appreciate being able to add in some extra skills thanks to this great, well-made balance beam from ChampionPlus. This balance beam has lots of great features. It is made from a really nice, soft, velvety fabric that feels very durable and does not slide at all while you're doing your balance work. The fabric is super colorful and vibrant, a feature that my daughter really likes. I also really like that it has a carrying handle so that whether you're using this on the outside or inside of your home, it's really easy to pick up and carry. At each end is Velcro fabric, so you could add additional pieces to this item if you want, or you can just unstick the fabric and fold it completely in half, making it really easy to store wherever you're using it. I really like that it's made of a well-made construction. The balance beam is firm and really great for working on balance skills. If you're doing gymnastics, you will really appreciate that it sticks low to the floor, and underneath it has skid-proof fabric so that it won't move around on whatever surface that you're using it. If you're a gymnastics family or an instructor, you will love using this balance beam. I really love it for our homeschool fitness program, and it's really providing lots of great opportunities to work on our balance. My daughter loves using it thanks to those vibrant colors, and I'm sure that you would really appreciate these great features as well. And that's my point of view.